Tonwerk storage heating stoves made in Switzerland. A European country famed throughout the world, Switzerland has always been closely linked with cosmopolitanism, economic growth, innovation and tradition. Also, Switzerland has become firmly established as a production site, drawing many very attentive eyes from abroad to its outstanding design, top engineering achievements and craftsmanship. And not least of all, the traditional label Made in Switzerland still enjoys an excellent image. Yet also breathtaking landscapes, snow-covered mountains and long winters characterize this small country at the heart of Europe. And here, or more precisely in the small town of Lausen near Basel, Tonwerk storage heating stoves embarked on a success story that reaches back to the 19th century. At that time too, Tonwerk Lausen AG set themselves the task of developing and manufacturing materials that could store heat energy for better utilization in the home. The 140-year history of this traditional Swiss company has been molded by entrepreneurial visions, innovative ideas, unconventional solutions, and the unfailing courage to change. All of these aspects can today be found combined in Tonwerk storage heating stoves made to the highest specifications with handcrafted precision. Each stove model is developed in collaboration with renowned designers and specialists for firing technology. CAD is used to create variants and simulate the interaction of individual components in advance. The result is a range of products that combine the pleasant with the useful, maximum energy yield with minimum wood consumption, eco-friendly combustion with low emissions, sustained healthy radiated heat, and a space-saving contemporary design with the largest possible view into the flames. It comes as no surprise that the storage heating stoves from this Swiss maker have received many international awards for their design and engineering, and so rank among the world's most innovative and most efficient storage heating stoves. The storage heating stoves from Tonwerk are tailored to the ecological requirements of a modern household and also provide a high degree of economic efficiency. In addition, a pioneering combustion technology was developed for an eco-friendly and sustainable draw on resources, the so-called top-down combustion. Fitted with special combustion chambers and ingenious combustion air guides, the stove does not fire its wood horizontally, but vertically when the firewood burns from top to bottom. This eco-friendly arrangement lets you gain the maximum possible heating effects from the minimum consumption of wood. Efficiency, sustainability and ecological claims therefore become essential features of a Tonwerk storage heating stove. Unlike conventional flue stoves or flue storage heating stoves, the combustion and heat emission are so efficient that you can enjoy up to 20 hours of feel-good radiated heat on only the one charge of wood, and that optimized to modern everyday needs. So you need to fire your stove only the once, and you don't need to keep on recharging. At Tonwerk in Lausen, every product is a genuine handcrafted original. The stoves are painstakingly handmade to customer specifications. The high art of stove building consists of many complex steps that gradually give rise to the genuine Tonwerk storage heating stove. A wide selection of natural raw materials lends the Tonwerk storage heating stoves their unmistakable quality, inside and out. After being mixed according to a special, unique recipe, the raw materials undergo various processes that mold them into attractive stone cladding with the optimal storage properties, innovative storage cores, combustion chambers and fire bricks. The Tonwerk Handcraft Factory has over 300 different molds of wood, steel and plastic alone for this purpose. In this manner, every stone element is formed individually on both the outside and inside, and so modified exactly to the technical requirements applying to their storage heating stove. Only so can we obtain the maximum of storage capacity. Even the smallest parts play a key role in the complex interaction of the various materials. Constant quality control is therefore indispensable. The outer cladding of cast stone is treated in special baths for so long until the rough texture of its stone surface presents its high-quality appeal. Only this can bring out the full beauty of the natural materials. In the grinding shop, the Tonwerk storage heating stoves are then finished by meticulous craftsmen and customized to individual wishes for both rough textures and highly polished surfaces. The effects of a Tonwerk storage heating stove are unique. At all stages and at fixed intervals, the finished stone cladding is examined thoroughly for its functionality and material properties. The countless constituents making up the stove are put together by a team of experienced craftsmen trained specifically for their stove model. The hallmark of a genuine handcraft factory, every stove is made exclusively by hand at Tonwerk. This involves meticulously assembling and examining up to 100 individual components for each model. The advantage of this work is that even the smallest irregularities can be immediately recognized and remedied. Only so can Tonwerk Lausen AG truly fulfill its promise of high quality. Owing to its innovations, this Swiss company is often years ahead of the market and the state of the art. This handcraft factory therefore upholds the philosophy of giving its customers the good feeling of making sustainable investments. Accordingly, they are given a genuine original in a Tonwerk storage heating stove that will be a constant source of pleasure even after years of intensive use. As a leader in technology, we attach the greatest importance to constant further development in energy efficiency and environmental relevance. Wood firing will therefore adopt a key role as the heart of modern cultivated living in future as well. Tonwerk storage heating stoves made in Switzerland enjoy world renown and have become symbolic of progress, efficiency, ecology and well-being. The principle behind the Tonwerk storage heating stove can be boiled down to less wood consumption, more healthy radiated heat. Or in other words, modern design and highest level innovative technology that fulfills all the requirements of today and the heating needs of tomorrow. A Tonwerk storage heating stove is therefore a worthwhile investment for the future that also pays off very quickly. In many respects, Tonwerk Lausen AG has embarked on new paths in the development of its storage heating stoves and intends to continue setting new standards with each new development. And it's precisely this that can also be found in the guiding principle of this self-assured Swiss handcraft factory, a clean future ahead with Tonwerk. Packaged tightly, every finished Tonwerk stove now starts its journey to the competent Tonwerk dealer. At home in Switzerland, Tonwerk has nevertheless found a home all over the world. After all, outstanding products know no boundaries. These heating miracles from Switzerland can even be found in the most remote countries of our Earth, for instance in Japan, Australia, and even New Zealand. The network of professional specialized dealers trained on our premises makes sure that the new Tonwerk storage heating stove is installed correctly and according to the standards for the maximum possible effect. This traditional Swiss company always gives top priority to customer satisfaction and quality management. This has led Tonwerk Lausen AG to grant a warranty of many years for all of its products.